Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometry tables. First, let's set up our table with the 6 main trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. We'll focus on common angles like 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. Begin by creating a simple grid, listing the angles across the top row and the ratios down the first column. This organized approach makes the learning process much clearer and more manageable for everyone. Now let's master sine and cosine values. For sine, write the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 under your angles. Divide each by 4, then take the square root of each result. For example, sine of 0 degrees is 0, and sine of 90 degrees is 1. Once you have the sine values, the cosine values are simply the reverse order. This clever trick helps you quickly fill in these fundamental rows without memorization. Next, we'll tackle tangent and cotangent. Remember that tangent is the sine value divided by the cosine value for each angle. So, simply divide the numbers you've already found. For instance, tangent of 45 degrees is 1. Cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, meaning it's cosine divided by sine. Be mindful that tangent of 90 degrees and cotangent of 0 degrees are undefined, as you cannot divide by 0. Finally, let's complete our table with cosecant and secant. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so you'll take 1 divided by each sine value. Similarly, secant is the reciprocal of cosine, meaning 1 divided by each cosine value. Just like with tangent and cotangent, be aware of angles where the sine or cosine is 0, as this will result in an undefined value for the reciprocal ratio. You've now built your complete trigonometry table.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.